Hi students, now we want to discuss a topic namely relative density of a substance. First of all, have you heard what is meant by density of a substance? How will you find density of a substance? Density of any substance is equal to mass of the substance divided by its volume. So mass by volume ratio for any substance only is called as density, and density is denoted by the symbol rho, the Greek symbol rho. This is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass is in kilogram and volume is in meter cube. So the unit is kilogram per meter cube. This is density. Now let us take water in one beaker and liquid metal mercury in another beaker. One full beaker containing water and the same volume of mercury taken in another beaker. If you lift means to lift the mercury containing beaker, it will be very much heavier. It is very heavy. 13.6 times it is heavier than water. Why? This is because the density of mercury is greater than the density of water. Okay? So what is the density of water? First of all, density of water is equal to 10 power 3 means 1000 kilogram per meter cube. If you take a container whose volume is 1 meter into 1 meter into height 1 meter, then the volume is called as 1 meter cube. In that, when water is poured means what will be its weight? It will be 1000 kilogram. Roughly, you take 1 liter water bottle you are having Bisleri water bottle or any other company water bottle, is it not? 1 liter water bottle is approximately equal to 1 kilogram. 20 liter water can, if you lift means it is equivalent to lifting 20 kilogram, because the density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. And if you compare it with the density of some other substance like mercury, the liquid metal mercury I will take as the best example. So what is the density of mercury? It is 13.6 into 10 to the power of 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay. So which is heavier, water or mercury? Mercury is only heavier. How many times than that of water? 13.6. It is heavier or denser. So mercury is 13.6 times denser than water. How did I know? By comparing the density of two substances. This comparison of density only is called by the name as relative density. So relative density of any substance, relative density of any substance, of a substance is equal to what? It is defined as what? The ratio of density of the given substance. So density of the given substance divided by the density of water. Always we have to compare the density of a given substance with the density of water. So if I want to find the relative density of mercury, what is the relative density of mercury then? This is equal to density of mercury divided by density of water. So the relative density of mercury is the ratio of density of mercury to the density of water. So this is equal to what? 13.6 into 10 power 3 divided by 10 power 3. So this is equal to how much? 13.6. Density of mercury in the numerator, it has a unit of kilogram per meter cube. Density of water in the denominator also has a unit of kilogram per meter cube. So that unit get cancelled and relative density is merely a number, that's all. It does not have any unit. So there is no unit for relative density because it is a comparative value of the densities of two different substances. Okay children, now you tell me, if I want to find the relative density of mercury, means I have to divide the density of mercury by density of water. Is it not? Now, what is the relative density of water itself? How will you find the relative density for water itself? This is equal to what? Density of water divided by density of water. Denominator is water. Here numerator is also what? Density of water, because relative density of water is the given substance divided by water. And this is equal to how much? 1. Okay. Now one numerical, let us take the relative density of silver. Let us take the relative density of silver is equal to 10.8. So find the density, find the density of silver. Okay, find its density. Very simple numerical problem. Using this formula, relative density RD, relative density of silver is equal to density of silver divided by density of water. What is the relative density of silver is given in the sum is 10.8. Okay. So 10.8 is equal to density of silver divided by density of water, 10 power 3. Therefore, density of silver must be equal to 10.8 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Can also be written like this, kilogram per meter cube. So, my dear students, density of a substance is the ratio of its mass to the volume, and its unit is kilogram per meter cube. But relative density of any substance is defined as the ratio of the density of the substance to the density of water, and relative density has no unit. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.